Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Blackview Tab 12 to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, just choose Not Now if you wish to, and close it by tapping on OK. Finally, choose Send at the bottom left corner and Receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, pick one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Blackview Tablet. You can finally click on all of those categories located at the top. Then click on those type of dots at the top left corners to select multiple files at once. You can also just click on the chosen one instead. When you finished, click on Send next to Selected. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect using this QR code, tap on this scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Then click on While Using or Only this time and point your Android's camera at the code. If you want to, you can also input this key in Input Key section and tap on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!